Mississippi has surpassed the amount of whooping cough cases reported in 2024. If you get whooping cough, experts say it's a preventable disease. 12 News' Cameron Smith joins us now live near the State Department of Health. And Cam, how long does it take to recover if someone is diagnosed with whooping cough?
Byron, the State Department of Health says common pertussis cases, which is known as whooping cough, could take 5 to 7 days to make a full recovery. However, if you have a more severe case and develop pneumonia, well, you could be looking at a much longer timeline. The state currently reports 58 cases of whooping cough this year. That surpasses 49 cases total for all of last year. Now, experts say symptoms to look for is a cold followed by an uncontrollable cough, which can lead to throwing up. Whooping cough is preventable if people stay up to date on vaccinations. Owner of Northtown Pharmacy, Dr. Andrew Clark, explains which type of vaccine treats the high contagious respiratory disease.
The vaccination that will treat that is called the Tdap. The Tdap is tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis. These are the what it treats. So it's very important that adolescents, adults, and even the elderly take that vaccine.
Dr. Clark goes on to say this vaccine is required for kids going back to school. It's also a state requirement before starting 7th grade. The MSDH says that the current vaccination rate for all school kids is at 97.5%. That's down from 99% where it used to be at one point in time. Live in Jackson, Cameron Smith, 12 News.